Well, a very good morning, everybody. Today is Sunday, I do believe. Tropical Cyclone Alfred has been and gone, but we are now bearing the weather, I suppose, at the end of the day. I put up a video a couple of days ago, just before the cyclone hit, and said I'd do another one after it had passed. Well, now it's a tropical low, but as you can see, we've had a lot of rain. If you have a look at my pool here, right, it's actually overflowing. Now that normally sits a good, 200-300 mil below the top tiles. So that's full, so that just indicates we have a lot of rain. As you can see here, our pathway, we live on a downhill slope, so we're pretty lucky. But we've got a lot of water running through our main drains here. But as far as the storm is concerned, we have probably, I guess, fared fairly well. We haven't had any trees fall down, as you can see, sort of up to the top there. All our trees, our main trees, the ones that we were concerned about, are still in place. Overnight, we had a lot of water running through here, and as you can see, I've taken the drains out, the grates out, purely and simply because what happens is the leaves and the grass that comes, as it's coming down, blocks the grates up, and therefore you can't, the water can't get away, and then backs right up onto onto my office and the front door. So as you can see here, the paths, we've got a lot of water starting to really come down towards the drains, but it's getting away. But the main thing is that we've fared fairly well. A bit of a slip there. Just be careful. The neighbours fared fairly well as also. But as you can see, as I'm walking through here, the ground is absolutely soaked. Absolutely soaked, guys. Our main tree, which is this one here, which is the one we were concerned about, and this one here, they are still up, which is a good thing. But I'm actually walking through a lot of water, guys, a lot of water. So we haven't lost any trees, we haven't sustained any damage, which is a good thing. Just go down and check the dam. We've got a big dam at the bottom of our property. Oh yes, here we go. We've had one tree come down. Okay, this is the first. Oh man, walking through here, this grass is absolutely saturated. So yeah, we've lost a a big branch, and we've got a bit of a river running down here, the bottom end of the property. So this river runs down into the dam here. I may have to come out and do a bit of excavation to get it to run off quicker. So just clean up through here. So yeah, I'll have to go out the other side of the fence and check the drain and make sure that it's all running off. So we've got that one, and we've also got this one down here. So as you can see, we've got a lot of water at the moment, but everything's okay. All our drains are working well, which is a good thing, which makes our life a hell of a lot easier. And it all comes down to being prepared, guys. That's what it all comes down to, absolutely being prepared. So I'll just give this a bit of a kick, get rid of this water, as you can see. So as you can see, we're starting to collect a lot of water, guys. I'll head back up inside now. To only have one tree come down, one branch come down, I'm very happy, extremely happy. But the grass here is absolutely waterlogged. So as you can see, once again the pool's full. Got the generator going. It's all about being prepared, something I learned many years ago for being in the Scouts. Highly recommend that if you've got children, get them involved in that organisation, especially when they're young, because I tell you what you learn in the Scouts will save you in times like this in the future. It's unbelievable, and that's not only for the boys, it's also for the girls. So get them involved. All right, so I'll go inside now. Yeah, that's okay, mate. So as you can see, it's a bit quieter in here. We do have a 3.6 kVA generator. That is running pretty much everything in the house at the moment, except the lights. But it runs our kettle, it runs our coffee machine, runs our fridge or freezer. When we need a microwave, we just take one off and plug the microwave in. We've still got water. Now, we've been out of power since, oh Jesus, 1 o'clock this morning. So we've still got TV, which is important so we can keep up to date with what's going on. And the main thing, and the best thing is, for me, I still have the computer because we've got power and we've still got internet. So we don't know how long the power's going to be off, but it doesn't really matter because at the end of the day, we're fully prepared. And that's because what I believe I learned as a kid when I went through Cubs, Scouts, Venturers. So, you know, Sir Aidan Powell's motto was always be prepared. So that's it, guys. We're fine. I hope everybody else is fine and fared as well as we have, considering the conditions, but we've just got to ride it out now for the next couple of days. Okay, so with that, take care. God bless you all, and we'll see you when we see you.